Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Asimi. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make homemade ice cream from scratch. You just need your full cream and your condensed milk to make this ice cream. So keep on watching. So in a pot, you are going to add 1 cup of milk. So going to add water to your powdered milk. You are going to give it a stir. Make sure there are no lumps again. Please use warm water so that it will be easier. Then you are going to add sugar to this your mixture. You mix it and then you place it on stove and you continue stirring. You stir for about like 1 minute and you get this thick consistency, and that's how you know your condensed milk is ready. You let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Transfer it to a plate. I didn't like how thick it was. I just did not like it, so I blended it and I got this consistency. So we are making our full cream now in a pot. You are also going to mix the powdered milk with the water. Mix everything together till there are no lumps. Then you are going to add butter to this. So you are going to place on stove. This just requires low heat. Just allow the butter to just melt and that's all. Drop it down, allow to cool. I realized that you should let it cool so that it will not spoil your blender. So I allowed it to get cool enough and then I blended it. This took me less than a minute. And you can see our full cream is ready. Look at the richness of that full cream. So let's start making our ice cream. We're going to add our full cream into a blender. If you have gotten this far, please help me like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I have amazing content. And then you're going to add the condensed milk for sweetness. Since it's a vanilla ice cream we are making, so we're going to add vanilla flavor. Then you're going to plug it into a socket and blend for 1 minute, and this is what you have after. So you freeze for 4 hours if your light is good, and then you get this beautiful, sumptuous, delicious ice cream. You see the number of adjectives I'm using to describe this ice cream. Yeah, it is that good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You can also check around for other videos. I post amazing content and easy recipes that you can try at home without using a lot of things, without even tools. So just walk around the channel, watch 3 or 5 videos.